Hi and welcome to the Vigilance AML training series. My name is Zach and today I'm going to be taking you through how to electronically verify a customer through Centrix. So first and foremost, two things that you want to check before doing a Centrix verification. Number one is that in settings, you'll want to make sure that you have the plugin set up and available, which will be noted by a green box here. You also want to make sure that you as a user have the permission to externally verify customer records. So once that's all been checked, what you'll want to do is go into customers and pull up the information in the customer level. Now, before you do a Centrix check, you're going to need some key information. So you're going to need the full name done as per their legal full name, date of birth, the nationality. You will need to fill out the basic information on the driver's license or passport document, whichever one you're filling out, such as the number and the version number. You'll also need to have the basic address information filled out, the street address, town, suburb, city, postcode, and country. Once all of that is completed, you will be able to do the Centrix check. So in order to access that, press verify. You'll need to comment on how you've given consent. So if you aren't asking customers for consent at the moment, you definitely need to do so because this is essentially a credit check on the customer. So most commonly it is an engagement letter that's signed by the customer and then a tick box provided that they can do the check. Now, you can choose a number of services depending on what information you have filled out. So with Gary Austin, we haven't completed the passport document, so this won't come up as an option. So address and Smart ID, this will be checking and verifying the address, and it will be checking and verifying that the name matches documents, and also that the date of birth matches the system. And then with the driver's license, it will just be checking that the number and version number is valid and registered to the individual in question. So here you can also select the home address, mailing address, business address, etc., whichever one you want to verify. Make sure you are selecting the correct one, and also make sure that if it is 4 Atkinson Street, that it has been typed out and is per the bank statement or utility bill that you have received. Because if this is different, it could potentially come back with a failed check. Here we will confirm how much you'll be billed, and this is going to be dependent on what package you're on, whether it's basic, standard, or enterprise with Vigilance. And once you've confirmed all of this information, just press verify. Now what this is going to do is it's going to go to Centrix and pull out 2 pieces of information to verify all of these results. So here we've got a green tick beside everything, name, date of birth, address, driver's license verification has passed, and the Smart ID has passed. So once you close this, you can see the report here. And all the specific information that has been verified. And here we have the PEC check that has been cleared as well. So make sure you are opening this report just to make sure that they aren't a politically exposed person. Now, once you've had a look at the report, it will automatically attach to the ID documents, and see here it will show that it's been cited by Centrix and then approved by the person running the verification. It will also do this for address if you've chosen Smart ID. And then finally, it will also attach on the customer level. So see here, we have the Centrix report available for view as well. So that's a perfect case scenario, and we've been indicated that the pass rate is about 95% when everything is checked properly. Now I'm going to show you quickly what happens if it does fail. So see here, if we try to verify these records, indicate the consent once more, check these details. We press verify. And what it will do, see here, it's got the address that has failed, but the name and date of birth and driver's license has passed. So what this means when we close this, we'll be met with an exclamation mark, and we can see the full report here. And what this is going to show us is that your driver's license is passed, but we haven't been able to source a utility bill or a comprehensive accounts confirmation of the address. But the PEP check is still clear. So in this instance, likely you are going to have to get a notarized confirmation of address for the customer or whatever your internal process states. Okay. If it is failed, it does make it a little bit difficult, but make sure that you are checking the reason it has failed and that the address is correct once again. And that's how you do Centrix checking. It is quite simple. Essentially, at the end of every month as well, Vigilance will send you a bill confirming who has done what check and how much is outstanding. If you have any further questions about Centrix or the Centrix integration, or you would like to sign up for the Centrix integration, contact myself or my support team and we'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching.